So this is gonna be a quick video of me installing this, how to set it up and stuff, because there's no internet here, as you can see. I have my battery, no internet, so I'm gonna solve that problem, or the internet won't work. So now we fix that problem. You need, in a pack of these TP links, you have two things that you plug in. You have two of these internet cables, which mostly you're gonna use only one of them, because the other cable you already have installed on your modem or so something. So how to install it? No internet. So how to install it? Just plug this thing in here. Now I'm gonna plug the cable in to your laptop or your thing that you want to give internet, and into that thing. Now that you have it plugged in and it says the cable connection doesn't have internet right here, and focus cam. No internet connection. You're just gonna go downstairs and yeah. So now you're at just you have to push 3 to 8 seconds. I usually take 8, and then you have 2 minutes to walk to the other modem, and yeah, it's same principle how you install it. So just press this button on the side near here, 8 seconds, en 1 en 2 3 en 4 en 5 en 6 en 8. Okay, now you go to the other one. So the other one, wait, that's better. Lights on. Oh, also that on. So there's the other one. You've gotta push it 8 seconds. En 1, en 2, en 3, en 4, 5, en 6, 7, en 8. Now it takes up to 60 seconds for them to connect. But now you go to the other one and check.